Have you seen a switch like this?
Or have you seen a box like this? Hey guys, this is Jasmine Noronha from Royal LePage Signature Realty. I'm just here to give you a tip. Most of your homes, which were built after 2010, have this heat recovery ventilator in your basement and the switch on the main level. It is always advisable to keep it on during the winter. Electricity consumption is very little. I have compared it to my older home, which didn't have it, to this home. Actually, the heating bill comes down because of the air that this circulates in the house, and especially this time where the COVID-19 is in air. It's always better to have fresh air inside your house. So I hope you like this tip and you will turn it on. If you have any questions regarding this, do send me a message or give me a call. Bye bye.